So how do you exactly swap faces here? Well, this one is fairly easy. Now we can actually use a tool here built in Canva in order for you to swap those faces. Now, what you need to do is you want to go to the website and you want to go to apps. In here, you want to go to search Canva apps and just type in face swap and just press enter. Now, as you can see, we have face swap here. Let's go and click on it. Let's go and click on open. Now, the great thing about this app here is it actually allows you to swap faces on the photos that you will be providing. Now, what we need to do is we want to go and choose the original file here and also the target face that you want to replace. So let's go and choose our file. Maybe I want to use this file here. Let's click on open. Now in this case, what is the target face that we want to use? Let's go and click on choose file here and upload the other photo. Click on open. Now once you've provided all the photos, just click on the swap faces option here at the very bottom and it's going to start the swapping process. This might take a while depending on how big the files you uploaded here are. So the higher quality, the slower it's going to be. Mine is actually just medium quality, and when this is actually done, you should be able to see it in here. So just wait for it, and as you can see, this is our photo. Now you can go and click on the add to design here if you want to use that. Now, just in case if you are not satisfied with it, go and click on start over. But yeah, so this is our image here. Now, sometimes it's not going to be perfect, so you may want to try it again. So upload your files again, click on swap faces, and see if it actually generates a better photo that you want. But yeah, in this case, that's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.